anything. I actually got my nails done at the salon. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, they're gonna die. These squishies are gonna look so good with my nails. Just, okay. Shut up, Bridget. I'm just kidding. Sorry, my friend's Snapchatting me, but I can't even do anything with it because these nails are too long. So, I had the brilliant idea to order some long fake nails and then open up a squishy package with them, because why not? And I can't do anything in these nails, guys, like anything. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna open this squishy package because it's like this. But, yeah, let's get on with the video. Actually, before I open the squishies, I'm gonna FaceTime some of my friends. I have to use my knuckle because it does not work. Okay, first let's FaceTime Bridget, who just rudely, very rudely interrupted my video with her Snapchat, whatever she sent me.
Yeah. Yes, yeah.
Bridget, look.
Oh my.
I'm filming a YouTube video. You're gonna be in my YouTube video, by the way. Look at this. Look at him. I'm gonna have to open a squishy package with these, and then we're gonna cut them.
No, Hudson.
It's so creepy. She's gonna show her sister. Okay.
Brianna, look. It's Brooklyn.
Come on. Oh yeah. These are scary.
They scared me.
Oh my god, they're like curving. It's okay. Who should I FaceTime next? Kennedy. I wonder if she's busy. Oh well, unavailable. Okay. Let's try Emily. Hey Emily, I'm recording a video right now. Look.
What the heck?
I know, they're so
God.
weird.
Where'd you get those?
I think off Amazon or something.
Bro.
They're so long. I'm gonna try to open a squishy package with them, but I just thought I'd show you. And you're in the video.
Yes. I was playing Fortnite.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's enough of that. But let's get on to opening the actual squishy package before my mom's phone dies. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to... These feel so weird. I don't... Oh, and sorry for my clothes in the background. It's because I'm redoing my room, as you can tell by this desk. There's a mannequin head there too, also. Oh my gosh, I should have got scissors. Oh my gosh, this is really hard. Okay, I'm gonna go get some scissors. Be right back. Okay, I got the scissors. Gotta pick them up like this. Well, ow. I can't. Okay. Hopefully I'm not cutting any of squishies. These kind of hurt whenever they are pressures on them, I guess. So that's fun. So the first thing I see that looks like an extra or something is this. Oh, okay, this is really cute. Oh. I don't know what this thing is, but it's like, I think it makes noise. Is it even... The heck? I heard this made sound or something. I've heard that before. I saw that in like a video one time, but I don't know. Okay, well, I'm not gonna open this because it's really hard, so yeah. This next one, oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Ow. I guess it's coffee or something. Or I don't know. Yeah, I think it's coffee. That really hurts, actually. Ow. Yo, this is really hard. Ooh, okay, this is really soft. Yeah, I think this will be easier now that it's out of the bag. It's easy to squish them with one finger. Ow. It hurts. It hurts like, I don't know why. To like put all that pressure on it. Looks so funny. I'm trying. From what I can tell, this is a little slow rising. It smells kind of good. Not really, but yeah. I hate squishing these like this, but that's like a good way to tell. Yeah, it's pretty slow rising. Okay, the next one is, oh, look at this donut. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. Ow, okay. Oh my goodness. Smells like chemicals. It's licensed by Sanquiella. I don't know how to say that, but yeah. But here's the front. It's way cuter than the back. I don't know why I was just squishing the back. Aw. Oh, okay, that hurts. That works. Not really. Ow. These are curved, so like, I don't know, they look really weird. Oh my gosh, it's another one of these. So it's another one of these princess squishies, and I think this time I got Cinderella maybe? I think that's what it is. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm gonna have to break out the scissors for this one. Okay. Licensed by Disney. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love Disney. I hope this is Cinderella. I'm pretty sure it is, because who else would it be? But I kind of wish it said who they are, because then that would be a little less confusing, but oh, that's really slow rising, if you can see that. This is like, it's kind of annoying to have these. Ow! It hurt really bad whenever I go like this, like really hard. I hate it. But I'm also just a wimp, so. I feel like a witch. I'm like. ASMR. Oh my goodness. Look how cute this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna eat it. Another toxic smelling one. Yay. Oh really, but this is, wow. That's really cute. By the way, guys, these were all like $2.99 because Silly Squishies had a sale, and I was like, ooh, yum. But actually, my Mimi got these, so thank you so much, Mimi. I forgot to mention that. Like, I was so caught up in these wonderful things. I don't know where that came from. Ow. But yeah. And last but not least is this little polar bear thingy. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Ow. Okay. Oh, this is a resealable bag. No going back now. Okay. 10 years later. Ooh, this is the first good smelling one. I think it smells like berries or something like that. Ooh. Oh. That is pretty slow rising. Yeah, this one is probably my favorite, and it's really soft. Oh my gosh. And by the way, guys, I might get some more squishies from Silly Squishies if they have more sales to put in a giveaway that I'm doing at 20,000 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe down below so you can try to win that giveaway, because I have some pretty cool squishies that are going to be in it. Okay, yeah, this squishy is really, really adorable. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe like I literally just told you. And also comment down below if I should do more crazy things like this, because this was honestly really fun. And yeah, I thought it was really funny because like they kind of hurt, but like they're pretty, I like talking with them, you know, like, I'm sorry. But yeah, bye guys.